Hello Facebook people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss if you should scale your ads when you see the high performing thing from Meta into your ad account. So there are a lot of new features that we see from Meta, from distributing your budget all over again, high performing, even proposals on how much you should spend and all of that. I'm going to make a video for each one of them so that we can see which ones are good features and which ones are bad. But first we're going to start with high performing. We are going to go into my PC and I'm going to show you how it looks, and I will let you know what I believe about it and if it has helped me whenever I scaled a high performing ad.
Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that's going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there.
So I'm in one of the other accounts that I have seen it here. We're talking about this one. It says high performing. Let's open. So if we go here, we're going to see this. It says, first of all, it's part of the opportunity score, but we're going to make another video about the opportunity score. It says, scale your high performing campaign and you will get 1 point. Consider increasing the campaign's daily budget by an additional 72. This campaign has now 100. I will show you also something else which I'm considering a little bit of problematic. Do you see we have also this new feature which I'm going to make another video about. This one is high performing, so it's not suggesting to increase it like this. It says that it's high performing while it doesn't have good ROAS. So I don't know how it's calculating it, but let's continue. Although your cost per result may rise, our models predict better returns from the increased investment over time. Increasing the budget of high performing campaigns will not cause their ad sets to restart their learning phase. Okay, why? Nobody knows. To identify your campaign as high performing, we consider multiple factors compared to your campaigns with the same goal, like scalability and cost per result, amongst others. Another situation that they are not using the learning phase, because the learning phase is a very good story when you talk about small budgets. If you talk about small budgets, then it's a very good story. So if you're having 42 events, for example, and you need 50 events on the 7 days period, your attribution setting that you use on the asset level, 7 days click, 1 day view, then it's a very good thing to talk about the learning phase, because Meta is telling you you need to spend more in order to pass the learning phase. Now that you are getting these events, they're telling you that you're not going to go back to learning phase because we don't care anymore about it. And we care about convincing you spending more money. So all of these things over here, all of these things are things that they're trying to convince you to spend more money. Opportunity score, everything is all about that. Gamifying the platform, making it look like you are going to win more if you spend more. But they are the ones that are winning more because they are pushing you to take these decisions with all of these things. So it says here, potential outcome, percentage increase of conversions by added budget, 108, 64%, 84, 51%, 72, 44. It says based on modeling. Let's discuss a little bit about what is modeling, because apparently some people believe that if Meta says it, this is what is going to happen if I'm going to increase. No, it's not going to happen. How it's calculated? This percentage is based on a machine learning model of data from real advertisers who took this recommendation. These advertisers have the same optimization for ad delivery. The model considers performance over 28 days. Performance over 28 days, okay? So you increase that, and for 28 days they see how it's going to do, okay? Not attribution, but 28 days of how the ad did after that. Actual performance depends on many factors. Also, it says here, for example, that it's based on statistical modeling and not statistical modeling. It's based on machine learning model of data from real advertisers. This is what it says. So people have done it. So I'm giving you just an average of what happened with them. I'm guessing over here, were they people that they were people that they had also bad results. So how is it possible for these results to only be positive? This is something that I don't understand. Actual performance depends on many factors, including market dynamics. This percentage is provided to give you an idea of possible performance, but it's not guaranteed. Thank God. This metric is estimated and in development. Everything that I can say in order to be able to cover my in case that things are going to do bad. Used by 2.72k businesses in your industry in the last 30 days. The number shows how many ad accounts in your industry follow the recommendation, action, or setup. It's calculated using the last 30 days of available data. It doesn't say how many of those were profitable or not. Now, let me tell you what I have seen. I have seen that this is another way for Meta to make you spend more money and just propose you to increase your budget and all of that. I have played with it. I have increased the budget. In some cases it worked, in some cases it didn't work. I would say it was 50-50. So in my opinion, it has nothing to do with reality over here. The way that they don't care about the learning phase while they care about learning phase in other cases, it proves again my point that the learning phase is just a lie to make you spend more money on the smaller budgets. And over here we have another situation that Meta is trying to convince you to spend more money.
Money, please!
Oh, no, there's no money.
Nothing conclusive in terms of having a crazy good result or not. And I don't think that you should be even watching that. Unless if it's for gossip purposes, and take decisions based on that, because as they also say, they cannot guarantee the results and stuff. So at the end of the day, it's you taking a decision and the risk and all of that. So don't look on these kind of things and see of all the other metrics and see if it makes sense. As you can see over here, they also have a high performing on this one, which has 3 rows, comparing to others that they don't have high performing but still they're doing better. I think it's just another way for them to convince us to spend more money. That's my opinion. I will see you guys for the closing of the video. Let's recap. It didn't help me. It wasn't good for me. I haven't seen any big changes or anything noticeable. There are people that they say, like my friend Michael, that they use it a lot and it's helping them. For me and for my other friends that they have used it, it's meh. Sometimes it's working, sometimes it doesn't. It's not anything, super, we're not super sure about it, something like that. So that makes me think that it's not the decisive factor if I'm going to scale an ad or not. So I'm not going to see it. This is my opinion though. Let me know about your opinion in the comments. And don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, my website. You can check also my mentorship programs, and below all the people that have completed my mentorship programs and the testimonials. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.